Hi there, I'm AJ, a licensed insurance agent here at Jerry. We know that you work hard to keep your car in good shape, and then you want to make sure it's properly covered. You've probably heard the term full coverage mentioned when you look at insurance options. Though full coverage is a commonly used term, it is not the name of a type of insurance policy. When people say this, they typically mean liability coverage plus comprehensive and collision coverages, and it doesn't include all the coverage options you could purchase. Liability insurance, which is required in most states, covers you if your vehicle causes property damage or injury to others. Comprehensive and collision coverage make up the physical damage portion of a policy. This is the part of your policy will repair or replace your car in the event of a covered loss. While both coverages protect your car, they do so in different ways. Let's go over the types of damage comprehensive and collision insurance do and don't cover for your car. Comprehensive coverage is sometimes called other than collision or OTC coverage because it pays to fix or replace your vehicle when it isn't damaged by a collision. Think of things like fire, theft, vandalism, flooding, hail, and animals. While a collision may technically be involved, animal damage falls under comprehensive coverage because, much like weather, animal behavior is unpredictable and out of your control. Comprehensive claims are not at fault and will not result in a surcharge on your insurance policy. A surcharge is a fee that insurance companies apply to your auto policy for 3 to 5 years if you are in an at-fault accident. Collision coverage pays to fix or replace your vehicle when it is damaged from a collision with another car or object. In most cases, this happens when your vehicle is in motion and you hit something like another car, a lamppost, or a guardrail, but you'll also be covered if your car is parked and hit by another car. Collision claims are usually at-fault accidents and receive a surcharge, but not always. For instance, if you are involved in an accident with a driver who does not have insurance and they are found at fault, you can use collision coverage to repair your car and you won't be surcharged afterwards. Carrying liability, comprehensive, and collision coverage on your policy protects you and your car from almost anything that can happen. However, here are some things your insurance will not provide coverage for: wear and tear, intentional damage, mechanical or electrical breakdown, accidents from street racing, destruction from governmental agencies. For example, your car is damaged due to firefighters moving it out of the way in the course of their duties, catastrophic events like war or nuclear weapons, road damage to tires like a pothole loss where only the tires are damaged, any action excluded from the policy like excluded drivers or taxi services. Note that collision and comprehensive coverage do not overlap with each other. Collision coverage will not cover comprehensive losses, and comprehensive only covers losses that are other than collision. For example, towing and labor and rental reimbursement are not part of liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage. While these coverages can be good to have, they would need to be purchased separately. If you are involved in an accident and do not have these coverages, your insurance company will not cover a rental car should you need one after a claim or standard towing and labor coverage. As is usual with insurance, there is an exception. If your car is not drivable as a result of a covered claim, your comprehensive and collision coverage may pay for a towing service even if you have not opted for the additional towing package. In this case, your insurance company will pay for the towing company to remove your vehicle from the scene of the accident to a repair shop or a tow yard. The tow truck driver is also responsible for any debris or hazardous material cleanup. That said, you won't get the benefits that you'd get from towing and labor coverage, such as towing services when your car won't start, or services to your vehicle such as a jump start, flat tire, or lockout. Keep in mind that if you need a jump start or tire change and do not have towing or labor coverage, also known as roadside assistance, collision coverage will not cover the service or towing. At Jerry, we want you to feel confident in your coverage and know that it will provide you the protection you need. You will be able to view all of your coverages in our Jerry app, make changes, and text or call us with any questions you may have.